Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. I've been making some recordings with my Song Meter Mini. At this point, I have literally hundreds of small wave audio files on my desktop. I've downloaded Kaleidoscope Lite, and I can listen and look through these recordings manually to see what I've got. But this is painstaking work. There's got to be a better way. I'd like to introduce you to a feature in Kaleidoscope software called Scan Recordings and Extract Detections. Wildlife Acoustics has made this powerful extraction feature available in Kaleidoscope Lite, which is a free download from wildlifeacoustics.com. I've configured Kaleidoscope to see my input folder full of audio files. Kaleidoscope will use tunable signal parameters to find signals of interest from within the batch of WAV files. I can cast a wide net or narrow my search to find specific sounds or vocalizations. I've chosen Scan Recordings and Extract Detections under the Cluster Analysis tab. I'll press the Process Files button. Kaleidoscope goes to work and scans through all my audio recordings. It picks out individual signal detections or vocalizations and isolates them into a list. I can toggle up and down through the list to see and hear what Kaleidoscope has found. And just so you can really understand what Kaleidoscope has done, here is an individual vocalization which Kaleidoscope has picked out of its audio file. I can choose Reload, and the entire audio file from which the detected vocalization was extracted is displayed. There are many more options and functions available with the Scan Recordings and Extract Detections feature. For example, I can select multiple detections and save them as individual WAV files. I can manually label detections or vocalizations and create custom spreadsheets. And of course, I can tune the process to narrow in on hard-to-find or rare species. Now it's time for you to find what's in your recordings.